Thank you for viewing my listing. If you are interested in an in-person private tour, please call or text Joe at 614-316-5137. Thank you. WOW. Don't miss your chance to own custom-built former parade home located on a quiet cul-de-sac and ultra-desirable Hawk's Nest. This fine home features 2-story grande foyer, first-floor den and laundry, formal living room and dining rooms, open floor plan, oversized kitchen with Jenn-air appliances, granite counters, ample cabinets, oversized eat-in area plus breakfast bar, 4 large bedrooms /4.5 baths, gorgeous first-floor master suite with trade ceiling and walk-in closet, jetted tub, walk-in shower, his enter sinks, loft area overlooking great room, 2-sided fireplace, wood doors and hardwood flooring, large finished LL with wet barn theater, private paver patio with